Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will learn about the 5S methodology and Six Sigma and how they work together. Let's begin with 5S. It is a simple system to keep a workplace clean, orderly, and efficient. We'll work through the 5 steps one by one. First, sort. We remove all unnecessary items from the workspace. Only keep what is needed for the current work. Second, set in order. Arrange the necessary items so they are easy to find, use, and return. A place for everything, and everything in its place. Third, shine. Clean the workspace thoroughly. Cleaning also helps spot problems like leaks or wear. Fourth, standardize. Create clear standards and schedules for sorting, organizing, and cleaning so everyone follows the same rules. Fifth, sustain. Make 5S a habit by training, communicating, and auditing regularly. Now, let's introduce Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a data-driven method for reducing defects and variation in processes. The goal is high quality and consistent results. Six Sigma often uses the DMAIC cycle: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. 5S and Six Sigma work best together. 5S creates a clean and stable environment, and Six Sigma improves the process quality. Together, they build an efficient and high-quality workplace. Thank you for watching. If you would like a study guide or practice questions, let me know.